So, may I invite Lalita Devi to join us and share a few words about Pragati Innovation Hub? Let's welcome Lalita Devi with a big round of applause.
Respected chief guest, dignitaries, teachers, and my dear friends, I'm Lalita Devi from Pragati Innovation Hub Spoken English class. Today, I feel very happy and proud to stand here to speak about not only organization but a great and powerful idea that is Pragati Innovation Hub. Pragati means progress, growth, development, and moving forward in the life. And our goal is very simple. No person should be left behind because of their disability or lack of opportunity. Let me ask you all one simple question. If a person cannot see, does it mean they cannot succeed in life? The answer is exactly no, right? They can learn, they can work, they can lead the life. But they need support, access, and opportunity. That is where Pragati comes in. Our vision is very clear and powerful. We want to create a society where visually impaired people, underprivileged, and economically weaker section people also live with independence, respect, dignity, equal opportunities, and leadership. We want a world where the people are not judged by their disabilities but they judge by their abilities, capabilities, and talent. Now, I explain our mission in very simple words. Our mission is not small. We want to build a complete system of supporting, including education from KG to PG, skill training, technology support, career guidance, and job opportunities. In simple words, we are not giving help for one day, but we are building a future for strong life. Our organization stands on strong values. Let me explain them simply. Inclusion. Everyone is equal, no one is left behind. Accessibility. Everything's are easy to access for everyone. Dignity. Every person deserves respect. Innovation. We use new ideas and technology. Responsibility. We work honestly and with care. All these values guide everything we do. Now, I'm going to explain what exactly we do. Our main works are education and skill development. We provide computer training, spoken English, communication skills, and life skills. Because we believe the principle education is the first step to success. We also provide competitive exams coaching. We help students prepare for UPSC, group exams, banking, railways, and SSC. We give coaching, accessible study material, and mock tests for their preparation. Our main dream is to see the visually challenged people, underprivileged and economically weaker sections to become officers and leaders. We also create online classes, mobile apps, digital libraries for our students. So, students can access world-class education even in villages. We work with screen readers, braille devices and AI tools. With all these things, Technology makes life easier and learn faster. We work with government bodies, NGOs, colleges, universities, and companies because we believe that teamwork creates bigger impact. Now, I'm also explaining our future goal. Pragati is not just for today. We are planning for the best future for visually impaired, underprivileged, and economically weaker section people. Those facilities include residential facilities. We want to build hostels, safe living spaces, and healthy environments. We will create job opportunities, support small businesses, and also encourage self-employment. And very importantly, 60% of the jobs in our organization will be for visually impaired and other disabled persons. We will conduct awareness programs and also supports the rights of differently able persons. With these awareness campaigns, society must change its thinking. We focus on women's safety, children education, and also with awareness programs, we build confidence in all these economically weaker sections and underprivileged people. We not only reach the urban areas, but we also mainly focus on the rural development. We reach villages and poor communities because we know that talent is everywhere, but opportunity is not. We also provide counselings and emotional support to improve your mental health because we believe the strong principle strong mind equals strong life. Let me ask again, who can become successful in life? Is it only people with full facilities or anyone with hard work and right support? Yes, the answer is exactly anyone with hard work and right support. Our organization, Pragati Innovation Hub, exactly give that support. Now, I'm going to tell you about why our organization is very important in the present world. Usually, many people think disabled people need sympathy, but we say they don't want sympathy, but they want opportunity. Because they don't need help to survive. They want chances to prove themselves. Our promise is that our organization is non-profit organization. This means no personal profit. All money is used for social work. Because our goal is not money. Our goal is impact and change. Imagine a child who cannot see but dream to become an IAS. A student who struggles but wants to become an officer. Pragati is the bridge between their dreams and realities. Dear friends, Pragati is not just a name. It is a mission, a movement for change, a responsibility, and a great light those who are in darkness. Let's all support this vision. Let's create a world where no one is ignored, no one is left behind, and everyone gets equal chance. Let's remember, disability is not inability. Opportunity creates success. And together we say, innovate, integrate, initiate. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. And thank you everyone for listening. Let's join hands to build better and inclusive future. Jai Hind.